Having trouble with Mad Titan Sports? You're not alone. As of September 2025, the app is facing major issues due to legal pressures and server shutdowns. The official app was removed from Google Play and Apple App Store following lawsuits from sports leagues like the NFL and MLB. In July 2025, U.S. Department of Justice actions led to shutdowns of primary servers, leaving the app in a limbo state. Users turn to unofficial downloads, but these often have malware or fail to update properly. Common problems include login failures, streaming interruptions, and error messages like server unavailable or geo-blocked. First, ensure stable internet, at least 10 megabit per sec for HD streaming. Public Wi-Fi can cause restrictions. Try reliable VPN to bypass geo-blocking. Popular choices include ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Clear the app's cache and data in settings. This often resolves glitches. Look for the Clear Cache button in app settings. If needed, reinstall from a trusted source, but be cautious about unofficial APKs. If these steps don't work, it's likely the servers are down and you're out of luck. Still struggling with Mad Titan Sports? Let's dive deeper into advanced troubleshooting. If you're seeing specific error codes like error 403, which means access denied, or constant buffering, these often point to server or network problems. First, consider checking your device compatibility and updating your operating system to the latest version. For instance, ensure your device supports Android 14 or iOS 18, as older versions can cause compatibility issues. For advanced users, accessing developer options can provide error logs for deeper analysis. This advanced step can help pinpoint the root cause of recurring problems. But keep in mind, the landscape of sports streaming is changing rapidly. Unauthorized apps like Mad Titan are seeing a decline due to increased enforcement and legal pressures. Legal alternatives like Peacock, Paramount Plus, and ESPN Plus are becoming more popular and reliable. These platforms offer legitimate access to sports content without the risks associated with unauthorized apps. By 2026, experts predict a near-total decline for these types of apps as leagues invest in anti-piracy technology and legal platforms dominate the market. So while you troubleshoot Mad Titan, consider exploring legitimate streaming options for a smoother, safer viewing experience. Key takeaway: always prioritize legal and secure streaming to avoid headaches and potential security risks.